Hello, everyone. So thank you for attending this talk. I was supposed to have this talk for 5 minutes. Apparently nobody else came, so I will just prolong it a little bit. Better for me. So today we're going to talk about protect your application on the network. How are we going to protect our application on the network? We all know that networks are made to send packets from one point to another. So they're not meant to be secured. We do secure them by different ways, like putting firewalls or VPNs or etc. Today I will talk about the zero trust. So first, what is zero trust in the first place? So zero trust is a security framework that actually says that we have it is assuming breach, that network is already compromised. So it uses least privilege access. It makes verify explicitly. We have strong identity with zero trust, end-to-end encryption, which is very important and which we as a software developers like to have, of course. We have ABC. It means authentication and authorization before connect. Least privilege, microsegmentations, and much, much more. So when we talk about zero trust, there are different types of zero trust that exist. We have network access zero trust, host access zero trust, and then application access zero trust. So we will look a little bit of each and see what we have here. So the first one, zero trust network access. So we are basically putting zero trust into our networks. Great, awesome. We have secured network. Even better to put it in the host network. That is called host network access, the second one on my slides. The third one that we will focus today is zero trust application access. Literally putting the principles of zero trust inside the application itself. So how are we going to do it? Using SDKs. So SDKs allows us to integrate zero trust at the application level. Basically what it does, it enables network endpoint clients to dial or bind, or you can say access or host services. It provides authentication interfaces for X509 certificate flows, basically strong identity. What is very important, we have no open ports, completely invisible to underlay network. What it means that's an overlay network. On top of your network, you put another network, and then you send packets through each other. So what I will do now, as every good presentation needs to have, code. What we have here, we have like a very simple server in Go. As you can see, it has two functions, hello and add. What's very important, I will not really explain this. I assume that everybody knows what's going on in here. What I will tell more about you is this slide. This is a simple server in Go, basically almost the same like you saw there, with using OpenZT Go SDK. You can see implementation on line 5 and 6 for OpenZT SDK Golang. You see that listen and serve on line 17 is changed by create ZT listener. What is a create ZT listener? You have it on line 34. So create ZT listener basically implements .NET listener, makes a config file, there's some options, listener returns a listener. Basically what we have is we have an overlay network on top of our Go server. We make it completely dark to the open internet. We make it secured. How we like to call this, it means ZT-fied. If you get it, ZT, open ZT, why open? Open source project, completely free for everybody. ZT, zero trust, that's why. Also, this is existing ZT-fied applications that we did. So the one on the red are using Golang SDK. You can have here some of the links where you can see, for example, SSH or Cube, Stella, Helms, Prometheus, Elasticsearch. It's all zitified using Golang SDK. There are also different SDKs. For example, Python, JVM languages, C, C#, and so on and so on. If somebody doesn't want to use SDK, there is always, I would say, like a sidecar solution that we can put inside your application to make it also very secured. So on this last slide, you can have some information about me. My name is Stefan Gajić. I work as a developer advocate. Company is NetFoundry. You have my email there. OpenZT is the name of the project. And you have some useful links there. OpenZT project. The next one is the link where my colleague basically explained Zero Trust to his daughter, who really likes Harry Potter. So with Invisibility Cloak, and I don't know how many of you guys are here Harry Potter fans, but it's really great explanation for, I think she's 6 or 7 years old. So if she can get it, I believe everybody can get it. The third link is Appetizer. It's a demo that we just recently made where you can try it by yourself, completely free with no registration at all. Very simple. You just have to have Go installed on your computer. That's it. The fourth link is a discourse group. What we have, like a forum where you can ask questions if you're interested in OpenZT. And the last link is Zrock. It is a sharing platform similar to Ngrok, but on top of the OpenZT. So I do hope that you enjoyed this small short presentation, and if you need anything else, feel free to contact me or just reach out to my email or send a message. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Stefan.